Next tip is to use the timeline.
Where the hell are they? The appropriate question is, where in the hell are they?
So the timeline is really helpful whenever you work with dates in your data. So here we have order date. We could add a timeline to this by going to Pivot Table Analyze and inserting a timeline. You're going to see any date fields in here. I just have one called order date. So I'm going to place a check mark and click on OK. And that's it. I have a timeline added to my pivot table. So I can adjust my selections here and take a look at my data changing. You also have more options. You could change your selection to view quarters and adjust some settings from the timeline menu. You can, for example, change the style. And if you want to remove that border around the timeline, which is something I always do, you can do that. Just right mouse click on one of these designs, select duplicate, go to format, border, and remove that border. And then you can give this a name, click on OK, and let's go and select it, and that border is gone. You can then make adjustments to your pivot table and arrange these so it looks more professional.